Let me ask you something. How many times have you set a fitness goal only to fall off track after a few weeks? How often have you started with excitement only to stop when the results don't come as fast as you expected? What if the problem isn't you, but it's the way that you're setting these goals? In today's video, we're going to dig deeper into why most people's fitness goals fail and how you can change your approach starting today to set yourself up for real, long-lasting success. Here's something no one tells you about your fitness journey: the mindset behind that goal. Most beginners think in extremes. I want to lose 20 pounds in 30 days, or I need to go to the gym every day. I remember I was the same way a few years back when I decided I wanted to lose weight. I was around 250 and I was like, no, I need to get under 200 pounds in the next 6 months. But the thing is, when that doesn't happen, it's easy to feel like a failure. But what if we change that? What if instead of chasing perfection, we focus on progress? What if we learn to set goals that push us but don't break us? Let's talk about something you may have heard before: SMART goals. SMART goals stand for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. But here's where it gets interesting. What if we gave those goals meaning? What if every goal you set connected to some deeper part of your life? Something that truly matters. Take specific, for example. Don't just say, I want to get fit. Ask yourself, what does it mean to you? Is it running around with your kids without getting winded? Is it running for the bus and not running out of breath? Is it being able to take your shirt off at the beach? Figure out what that means for you and make it as personal as possible. And I want you to do this for every element of these SMART goals. Let's be real. Fitness isn't about stepping on the scale or lifting more weights. It's about how you feel, how you live, and how you want to show up in your life. So when you set a goal, so don't just make it about losing 20 pounds or lifting heavier. Ask yourself, why do I really want this? Because when your goals are connected to a deeper why, they stop being a chore. They become a part of who you are and who you're trying to become. I remember for me, a big reason why I didn't want to lose weight was just to be able to take my shirt off when I'd go near a pool or a beach, because I was so insecure about it that I would act like I was sick, or I'd make an excuse as to why I couldn't come that day if I knew we were gonna go to the pool or something. So just getting in shape made it that I could just end up going to the pool or the beach or whatever and felt zero discomfort. But that all stemmed from me figuring out why did I actually want to achieve this goal. But here's the truth. You're not always gonna kill every workout. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but every time you go in the gym, you're not gonna PR. You're not gonna have the best workout of your life every single time. But that's not what matters. It's about showing up on the days that you're supposed to. You have to be able to take away the emotions out of working out. Whether you feel like it or not, if it's a day to work out, go work out. So instead of setting a goal like, I'm gonna work out every day, instead think of how can I improve even just a little bit every single day. Maybe that's just eating better. Maybe that's going on a walk. Maybe that's just a random thing that you do. But that's where the magic happens. Progress is powerful and perfection is a myth. So let's break this down. Let's make these SMART goals real. Instead of I want to lose weight, try something like this. I want to walk for 30 minutes 3 times a week because it helps me clear my head after work or after school. Or I want to increase my push-up count from 5 to 10 in the next month because I like feeling strong. See the difference? These goals aren't just about what you want to achieve, but also why, which makes them feel a lot more real because they're connected to your life, your emotions, and your purpose. Here's another secret. Goals are so much easier to achieve when you have somebody else in your corner, whether it's a friend, a workout buddy, or an online community. Sharing your goals makes them real. Plus, there's nothing like knowing that someone's in your corner willing to motivate you when you don't even have that own motivation for yourself. So here's what I want you to remember from this video. Setting realistic goals doesn't mean setting small goals. It means setting goals that challenge you, but also consider where you are in your life. It's about celebrating every step, no matter how small, because every step forward is progress. Thank you for watching this video. If something in this video connected with you, make sure to like and subscribe so that it gets out to more people and I can keep doing this to give you that motivation that you might need. And in the comments, make sure you let me know one of the goals that you are trying to achieve and why. Not only will I love to hear it, but by leaving that comment, you are making your goal real, because now I and the rest of this community will be out there rooting for you. So let's keep growing one step at a time, and I'll see you in the next one.